大家知道1月25号是什么节日吗？ It's Opposites Day, 相反日. So now that I've lived in China for 8 years, I want to share with you 10 things I found to be opposite between America and China, or at least very different. Kind of like English versus Chinese. In many ways they're similar, but it feels like they couldn't be more opposite. Alright, number 1 is maps. Ever since I was a little麦克老师schoolboy, all of our maps had North America in the west, China in the east, and the Atlantic Ocean, Africa, and Europe in the middle. And when I first came to China, I found out it's the other way here. Looks like China's in the west, North America's in the east, and the Pacific Ocean is in the middle. I suppose their purpose is about the same, but now I get confused when I try to find countries on the map. Are they here? Where? I don't know. Number 2, stock price colors. So if you're one of those people who invest stocks in China and you're seeing more red than green, you're probably pretty happy. But if it was in America, I would be like, because red means bad. You're losing money fast. Took me a little while to figure out why, but in the US, money is green. So green is good, but in China, money is red. But it's just really confusing for me when I invest in Chinese stocks. Number 3, victory. 是不是? No. In the US, this means peace. Peace, man. Yo, peace out. Why? I don't know. Leave me a comment if you know. It's clearly a V. Definitely makes more sense for victory. But don't use it in England. It means... Number 4. 666. When I first saw this being used in comments and text messages, I thought it was really weird. Of course, in China, it just means funny, haha, laughing, 嘻嘻哈哈. In America, it has a little different meaning. 野兽就是撒旦的意思。因为美国有很多基督徒，基督徒的圣经启示录13章说，
他又找中文，无论大小、贫穷、自主的为女的，都在右手上或在额上受一个印记。除了那受印记，有了寿命或有寿命数目的，都不得做买卖。在这里有智慧。凡有聪明的，可以算计手的数目，因为这是人的数目，它的数目是666。
2个6以下可以的，4个6以上也可以的，但是3个6就是手的数目，意思完全不一样，太可怕。Number 5, discount. In America, we often say something is 20% off. That means it's 80% of the original price. But in Chinese, to say 20% off, you have to say 打八折. The only thing that's the same is 打五折, 50-50. So let's have a little test quick. 打三折用英文怎么说？打六折呢？ If you said 70% off and 40% off. Number 6, the ABC song. When I was a small boy, we always sang the ABC song this way.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
But when I taught at a primary school in China, it's...
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
为什么有这个区别？感觉是因为我们美国人的方式中间的那一部分说得太快。
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
说实话有点太快了，可能小朋友学不会吧。Number 7. In China, everyone drinks hot water. In America, I don't know anybody that drinks hot water. Now, we do drink hot drinks, but anything besides coffee or tea, we usually like to drink it cold. Ice is everywhere. Cold water.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So strong.
I've come to talk with you again.
是不是对我身体不好？我不这么认为。Number 8. Calling people fat. We don't have a different way to say it, but the reaction you'll get will be completely the opposite. 哦，你长得很胖。哦，真的吗？ Oh my gosh, you got fatter. Be careful. Number 9. 可口可乐。为什么是可口可乐吗？ In English we say Coca-Cola. 翻成中文为什么不说 Coca-Cola？ 我不懂。And last but not least, number 10. Our parents' dreams for their children. I feel lucky to be a teacher in China because teachers are greatly admired here. And I really think that's something we lack in America. Teachers in America are generally underpaid and not as well respected. And for a young person in China to become a teacher, I think they would really make their parents proud. Or any other kind of job that's very stable. But what dreams do American parents have for their children? To be a professional athlete. Yes, Americans love their sports, and parents couldn't be more proud if their daughter or son became a professional soccer player or basketball player or hockey player. All I wanted to be when I was little was a professional baseball player. It's too bad I suck at baseball. Yeah, wasn't good. How about for my future kids? If he or she becomes a professional soccer player, but I'd still be a very proud father of a teacher too, because I'm a teacher. Okay guys, those are 10 opposite things about our two cultures. Can you list any other opposites between China and America? Please leave me a comment below, and don't forget to leave me a like. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。